You do realise that without my permission as a police officer you cannot use that video, and I can confiscate that as well if I need to.
I don't think so.
Is photography a crime?
No, it's not. However, recording a police station, there is issues with that.
Welcome back to the Vultures. In today's video, we'll watch as UK police officers get completely dismantled by proud Brits who know their rights inside out. And the longer you watch, the more satisfying it gets.
All right. Just taking pictures of the fence. It's a lovely fence. Some lovely fence. Lovely bit of fence.
Because you've got your phone out, you're pointing your camera towards personal cars.
Taking pictures of the fence.
What?
I'm taking pictures of the fence.
Auditor Free Times Audits visits Longite Police Station to see what happens when you simply record the fence. What follows perfectly highlights how poorly informed some officers still are when it comes to public photography and the right to film from public land.
Gaps in it, there's no personal cars behind it. Why are you doing it?
I'm taking pictures of the fence.
Why are you doing it?
What's it got to do with you?
What are you doing?
Taking pictures.
Of?
The fence.
The fence? Why?
I like fences.
Like fences?
I went to the reception, she said it's fine.
Right, it's not fine, is it really?
Is it not fine?
No. Current threat levels at the moment, isn't it, for the police, and you're filming private cars?
Can you draw a step back a bit?
No, not at all.
There's no law in the UK that stops anyone filming a police station or its fence from a public place. Threat levels are an internal police concern, not a legal power. For an officer to restrict filming or detain someone, they must have reasonable suspicion of an actual offense under pace. And filming offense is not an offense. The auditor isn't doing anything wrong. He's standing on public land filming something clearly visible to the public, which is completely lawful. The officer's claim has no legal basis, and the attempt to stop recording is simply misuse of discretion, not lawful policing.
What's your name, buddy?
I'm not telling you my name.
Not tell his name? Right.
You don't need to, but you just need to grow up a bit, don't you?
Really?
Yeah, because all you're doing is just trying to antagonise people.
I'm not trying to antagonise anyone. No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You stood filming personal people's private cars.
I'm not filming the cars.
You sat there with I've just watched your screen. You're videoing.
I know I'm videoing,
Exactly.
but I'm taking pictures of the fence.
Yeah.
I went to reception. I went to reception, she said it's fine.
That's absolutely fine. Why would you take a piece of people's personal cars?
I'm a child.
Yeah, you act like an adult. And
Do you need retraining now to deal with the public?
no,
I think you do.
You do realise that without my permission as a police officer you cannot use that video, and I can confiscate that as well if I need to.
I don't think so.
I do.
What law's that?
The pace that I'm going to find out at this moment in time.
Alright, am I being detained?
At this moment in time, you are.
For what?
Well, we're going to get the code at this moment in time, and I'm going to search it under an act.
Alright, yeah.
The officer is completely wrong, and the fact that he's detaining someone over this shows a worrying lack of basic legal understanding. Recording police in public is fully protected by Article 10 of the Human Rights Act 1998, and the right to film from public land falls under Section 33 of the Criminal Justice Act 1972. The College of Policing's own guidance even spells it out. The public do not need permission, and officers have no power whatsoever to stop lawful filming. By detaining the auditor on a belief that simply isn't supported by any legislation, the officer isn't enforcing the law. He's abusing his authority out of ignorance. There is no offense here, no reasonable suspicion under Case Code A, and no justification for this detention. The auditor is acting lawfully. The officer is acting unlawfully.
And then you'll have to provide your details as well.
No, I don't.
Yes, you
No, I
do.
don't.
When you're detained, you do.
No, I don't.
At this moment in time, you're detained under Section 23 of the Act, okay?
23?
Section 43 of
43, right, yeah.
So basically, you're ballied up at this moment in time and you're taking personal videos of that, okay? So I'm going to ask you to remove that at this moment and give me your personal details.
Right, under Section 43, I don't have to give my details.
Well, you do at this moment in time. If you details provide out under this search at this moment in time, I'll just arrest you, mate.
For what?
For this moment in time, for a possible terrorist attack.
So you think I'm a terrorist? I'm overt. I'm not covert.
Okay.
Have you read the memo
What memo?
on people filming around police stations?
I have.
Yeah?
A bit suspicious though, isn't it, pal?
No, it's not suspicious, because I've told you exactly what I'm doing.
Detaining the auditor under Section 43 of that Act is a serious overreach and shows the officer has no grasp of the limits of that power. Section 43 can only be used when an officer has specific factual grounds to believe someone is involved in extremely serious criminal activity. Filming a police station fence from public land is not evidence of anything, and refusing to give personal details is not a trigger for that power. By invoking such a heavy-handed power, without any legitimate grounds. The officer is not protecting the public. He is misusing a specialist authority to justify a detention he had no lawful basis for. This is exactly why public filming is so important. Without cameras, unlawful uses of Section 43 would go unchallenged.
You know, filming fences?
Yeah,
Why?
I like fences.
Why do you like fences?
Because that's what I'm into, that's what I do in my free time.
Where's your best fence then that you've done? Show me other videos then of your best fences.
I like police fences.
Like police fences?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's a bit suspicious then, isn't it?
Oh, is it?
Right. Okay, before I search then, you got anything that's going to harm you or me or any of my colleagues?
No.
Okay, do you want to take your hands out of your pockets then for us?
Yep.
You know what they say about people who drive Jaguars, don't you?
What's that?
They drive Jaguars. Same again, do not kick out. Right, I just think you should leave.
Can I put my stuff back in my
Well,
pockets?
it's your stuff.
Yep.
Right, you've got another fence now, I think you should move on. Bye bye.
Look at this fence, this is interesting. Lovely fence.
Switch it off, mate, you don't need to.
You can't tell me to switch it off.
Oh, you're right, I can't, but just switch it off, isn't it?
And you never got me details, did you? Because you can't get me details. Under Section 43 you can't.
Yeah, is everything alright?
Yes, you?
Yeah, fine. Just with you Jordan at the police station. It was a bit strange.
I'm just making a video.
Oh, right. For college?
No,
All right. Can we be any assistance to yourself then?
no.
Right. Can I ask who you are?
Do I have to identify?
Well, yes, so you're recording a police station, so yes, unfortunately, I've requested it.
Is this public land?
Auditor, I Spy Audit visits Billingham Police Station and begins recording from a public footpath. When an officer approaches and claims he cannot film the station without first giving his personal information and informing the police that he intends to record, the officer presents this as a legal requirement, treating simple public filming as something that must be authorized. In reality, the officer is completely wrong. I Spy Audit is under no legal obligation to provide personal details or notify the police before recording from public land. Under Section 33 of the Criminal Justice Act 1972, the public may use public spaces for lawful purposes, including filming police buildings. Demanding his information without reasonable suspicion violates Pace Code A, and nothing in I Spy's behavior meets that threshold. The auditor is acting entirely within his rights. The officer is inventing powers she simply does not have.
What? No. This is
Public.
public land, yes.
Is photography a crime?
No, it's not. However, recording a police station, there is issues with that.
Section
Don't
four-
mind, but
Section
I'll
43, is
I'll
it?
just get an officer out the office and they can
Yeah.
come and speak to you. Is that all right?
Well, you'd be wasting the time,
Right. Why would we be wasting the time?
because photography isn't a crime, and I'm filming in a public place.
But you're filming a police station.
Is that illegal?
I'll check for you now, all right, so we can get some clarification. It is now 12:31 hours on Thursday, the 15th of April, where there is a male recording the police station with a video camera.
Am I being detained?
That's for an officer to attend. No, I'm not detaining you at all. I'm just trying to clarify why you're here, taking a video of the police station.
I'm filming a video about the police station.
Alright.
I do vlogs
Oh, sorry. Alright.
to film the history of it.
Right.
I film vlogs. I go all over the country
Okay.
on public.
Why are you refusing to give your details if that's the case?
Do I have to identify?
Well, we'd ask you to identify just to make sure everything's in order.
I would decline.
You decline.
Yeah. Because I don't have to. I don't have to identify. I'm doing a legal activity. Photography is not a crime. I'm filming a video about the site, about Billingham.
No, we get that, but
That's
do you understand our concerns about obviously the security of the police station?
The current climate,
Yeah.
global warming. Yeah.
Do you understand from our point of view about the security of the police station why we want to know who you are?
Isn't it secure?
Sorry?
Is it not secure?
Lots of secure buildings.
It looks secure to me.
I'm on about future security.
police station itself.
There's no real reason. I'm just going around the town. There's no Section 43 offence here. Don't worry. Or Section 58. No.
Okay. Fair enough. You've got every right to...
Can you tell the officer there that I am allowed to film here? Because she said that I wasn't allowed.
She's aware.
Yeah,
She's
we're
just,
aware.
like we said, officers are concerned when someone just turns up or we don't know and starts filming a police station. You can understand the security of that, can't you?
Not particularly, no.
You can't.
The police station's secure.
Okay.
Right,
Yeah.
no problem.
Alright, thank you.
Have a nice day.
And that's all for today's video. Which auditor impressed you the most? And which officer's behavior shocked you the most? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, check out our past videos. You won't regret it.